He said his problem was dandruff, but we found more.
Minsan kasi pag excessive na use ng ng mga gel, wax, so parang nakaka-dandruff. So,
Kita niyo yung scalp niyo. Meron siya parang irritation. Mapula, may red siya, no? Diba?
Ini-scrub ko siya pag
Tapos,
naliligo.
kasi ang normal na kulay ng scalp natin, kulay din ng skin. Tapos kung makikita niyo yung mga flakes, yan yung dandruff.
So, apart from the dandruff caused by hair products, he also has an irritated scalp. He needs to stop scrubbing his hair until the irritation subsides. He needs to use the Hair Rev Daily Treatment, which will relieve his dry scalp and dandruff. Then he needs to use the Hair Rev Styling Wax to nourish his scalp while styling his hair.